So what you're going to be doing, your first chord, it's kind of, you can get away with just doing G and A if you wanted to do that, or A sus2. What I'm doing, I'm kind of doing this. I'll send you a picture. It's kind of like a major 6, right? But you can do it, basically, second finger on the 3rd fret, after your cap obviously. Then 2 open strings, which is your A string and D string. Then your G string you want to have on the 4th fret. And then your ring finger on the 3rd. And then you can put this note on the 2nd fret of your D string. And then slide it exactly the same form up. And you get this kind of spacey sound. Then to the A. So basically it's G to A. And I'm putting, just using a pentatonic scale, but all that's just embellishment, you don't really need that. And then at the end of that phrase, I'm just doing a form of E minor chord. So what I'm doing there, I'm barring from the A string, so where it's C sharp, but you would think of it as B. Then on the B string, next fret, then little finger on the D string on your 5th fret after your cap obviously. That's a nice voicing of E minor 7 or E minor 9 as it is. So that is it's Y, then it goes D, off to D sus2, so you're pulling this finger off, then use the C sharp root, B minor, I'm using the little finger in first, then G, A, and then the C minor again. So that goes, tell me why. If you can't do that chord, just stick with B minor. So it'd sound. Kind of thing. But yeah, see how you get along with that one.